Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 21st, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, but you are interested in this one. It's the binary puzzle number 9949. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Could be an odd one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's, and between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 2 minutes without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku content, and bye bye for now.